520 Startop. There's no wood frame around the garage door, which is just one less thing you have to maintain, so that's nice. I'm thinking this is where they're saying the RV parking would be. There's a tree here though, and dead grass. Probably a good opportunity to switch over to desert landscaping. There's no power on in this house, so some of the rooms are a little dark. We do have the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds that we like. The walls are white. This is concrete. It looks like the flooring was ripped up and they painted or did something to the flooring, so. Cabinets are painted gray. Appliances are looking a little old. I don't think Jenny's going to be okay with the fridge, which is fine. Upgrade it to something really nice and pretty. Just a little chip in the cabinet. Beautiful sink. Gooseneck. Interesting light fixture. Probably. Make sure. Okay. This area needs to be filled in with something, usually rock. The yard has a nice feel to it though. Do have a pet door. So I'm pretty sure Jenny's going to suggest installing some type of flooring. This wall could use, this entire room might need to be painted because this is actual paint on the wall. This tile looks nice though. Get an outlet cover there, of course. It smells like new paint in here. Nice high ceilings. The flooring looks great. That looks like gum or something. Okay. It's just a staging rug. I just wanted to make sure. So it looks like they may be replacing the outlet cover. This room is very dark. Let's get a drain stopper down there. They already have a shower rod. Drain stopper. Light fixture looks good, no rust. Not the best paint job, and it's white. So we'll see what Jenny says. This is a purplish gray. The closet goes all the way across. The doors are only on that one side. Obviously we have the curtain here, so Jenny may suggest installing another set of closet doors. These cabinets look pretty good to me. This is a one piece as well, so no grout. Okay, so flooring here is laminate, and this is no flooring as well, it's concrete. Okay, that's the property.